Okay. This is the midweek top-down analysis of AUD USD. There's something I want to address here. As I always say, hello, Frank. Hello? Hello, Frank. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, Frank. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
I'm not sure you, but my camera is on YouTube. I'm not sure you, but my camera is on YouTube. Bro.
Okay, no problem.
So let us do a top-down analysis on AUD USD. So let's start on daily time frame. If you take a look, you will see that you have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, then wave 4, running flat, wave 4, then wave 5. And we know that wave 2 can even go as low as 99.9% of wave 1. As long as it doesn't go below wave 1, it's still valid. So now we have a very prolonged and big correction. This is wave A. And this wave B is expanding triangle. You can see A, B, C, D, E. Then from there, we are getting wave C, which is being extended. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. This 5 is where we have a lot of mathematics to do. So for that reason, I'm going lower to 4 hours. Possibly, I can even go to 1 hour. So let's go down. 4 hours. 4 hours. Now, one of the things that is too tricky on Elliott Wave is that when you miss a single count, it can spoil your entire calculation. So let's start from the beginning of wave, the end of wave B. So this is wave 1. This is wave 1. Wave 2 is running flat, A, B, C, running flat. Then we have wave 3 of 3 of 3. 1, 2, 3, expanding flat as 4, then 5. Then 3 of 3, 5 of 3 of 3. Then we have A, B, C, zigzag, ending the wave 3 of 3 here. Then this is wave 4. Now, so the assuming the final assuming the final wave 4 is where we are now, and it will likely give us some kind of headache if we are not careful. Let me remove this. Now, this is wave 4 of 5. Now,
no, excuse me. Let me say something. When you look at that wave 4 now, that sluggish movement, you can't say that is completely wave 4, because if you look at the wave behind it, see that is A, B, C down. You see that A, B, C down. So it implies that this is A, that down one is B, and that sharp move up will be C. It can be a London flat. Then this first one will be 1. This is the sluggish one in the triangle will be 2. And the other 5 will be 3. The other one will be 4. And the other one will be 5. So it implies that possibility of that AUD coming below that triangle. I'm not sure of that. Or it may come below it too, or it may be ranging inside. Like if you look at US dollar yen, you see I've been ranging on the top of that place for a very long time because we have nowhere to go again. It will be ranging because it made to sell from that area. So I'm suspecting that sell may not come. It may be ranging inside the triangle until others pairs sell down. You could buy up with them. So that's what I'm afraid of. That is what I don't want to trade that expanded flats in that triangle.
Okay. So let me continue with my own count. So time will tell. I may be wrong, but let me continue. So this is my wave 4 of this intermediate wave. Then this is my wave 1. Then A, B, C, expanding flat as wave 2. The internal wave 2. Then this is wave 3. This is triangle. You can see A, B, C. Expanding flat again. Then C as wave A of the first triangle. Then the only place I'm much worried is this wave B that has 5 waves. But sometimes it happens. But I'm not much comfortable about wave B being 5 waves. I've seen it happen, and the count still is clear. So now, this is wave A, wave A, B, C, D, E. That gives me wave 4. So this is wave 1. This is wave 2. This is wave 3. This is wave 4. Now, second, there's something else I want to point out here. And it is this. Even if the price goes above this zone, it means that the triangle is no longer valid. But as long as this place still remains, the wave 4 can still be valid because it will be making ending diagonal. So I think this wave 4, this triangle will hold. And if it holds, it means that we get a new low, maybe 0.625, 0.62, before we get the buy-in. And this buy is the buy that will make a lot of money. Then meanwhile, if price goes above this level, it means that here is wave 5. But until then, I'm looking for this wave, this drop. Okay, so now let me still go over to 1 hour to see if there's something I can still make out of this chart. 1 hour. Okay, now so you can see that this wave is sharp. Okay, so maybe by the end of New York session, we will know whether the movement will be sharp or not. It depends how the movement drops to this zone. So what I'm thinking is that if we have a sharp move, because this seems to be an A, B, C. Okay, so if we get a sharp move, then I will expect a correction and the drop. But if the pair keeps going sluggishly, then it will likely go up. So for now, this is my take. I cannot be looking for sell with this sharp move. sorry, I can't be looking for buy with this sharp move. I need to watch out because structure comes out first before price action. So watching this structure, I would like to know what comes out of this zone. It will determine whether to be drop or not. Meanwhile, I'm looking for, I will go down lower to maybe 15 minutes. If I get a sharp move, like we have one, A, B, C, which is a perfect correction, then I will sell. My stop loss will be here. So that's my own view on AUDUSD. So Frank, what's the final take on this?
Well, me, I would not like to trade it. I will be watching it. I'm focusing on the Great Britain US dollar and the Euro US dollar for now. So I'll be watching it. I would like to buy it when it begins to go up.
Okay.
Starting on the bullish side.
That's the best thing to do anyway. But if Euro USD will be going down, AUDUSD might also go down, but let's not go into correlation now. So let's keep watching the structure. Okay, so is there any pair you want us to discuss?
Like this pair I wanted to sell, but it has been range like USD Japanese yen. Japanese yen, and I want to sell it, but thing has been ranging on the fair value gap there.
Euro yen. Let me take a look at it. Euro yen.
US dollar yen.
Okay, USDJPY. I saw this. I could say I put a pending order yesterday, and it triggered. I don't know how it is going. Let me check. I put a pending order below this. I put a pending order below this this week. Below this. Okay, it's going back up. Okay, maybe I will be in a little loss. Though my stop loss is here, so nothing to worry. Just few pips. Let me check. Nothing to worry at all about the stop loss. My stop loss is just about.
No, you know the way the thing was ranging has been confusion because I wanted to sell it very long time. I see it ranging. I think it's waiting for other pairs to complete their structures.
So it doesn't bother me. And I know, this type of pair can take you unaware. You may wake up one day. See a drop of 400 pages, 500 pages. So
that's what I know. That's what it's going to do. That's why I'm worried. Because we woke up now, we see a huge drop like 200, 400 pips.
That's why I put a pending order. Even if the pending order is small, even if I get a new high, I'll keep selling unless I see it. Break this high, this 151.9. Unless it break this 159.9, then I will wait and know what it's trying to do. But as long as this 159.9 remains, and it also look like a rejection.
Other block is there.
Yeah, other block is there. This what is called rejection block, though it's only one week, but nothing worry. So I have seen structures in the market. Meanwhile, to play safe, this trend line, daily trend line is also here. Once it is broken, then the only thing is that the person will miss the first drop. So before this can happen, 300 pips have gone. So that's why I want to follow it based on 1 hour or even lower time frame. So that's it.
Okay, no problem. That's all I want to know.
Okay, so let's keep watching. And one thing, I would have called this 5 waves, but on a second note, you can see that this can be a running flat. It's possible this is a running flat. then C. It comes to ABC. So, but it doesn't matter. What matters is the money I will make, not the accuracy of the counting.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, all right. We call it a day.
Thank you.